All right, traders. Teamwitherving here again. Welcome to our weekly Forex forecast and review. Today we are gonna be trading the whole week. For the week of February 4 to the 8th, 2021. This is it. This is the very first week of February. So hopefully we are gonna be making tons of pips out of this month. It's gonna be a short month. Very sweet month. It has Valentine's Day as well, and happy early Valentine. So let's go. Let's get to work and see what the future holds. We're gonna go ahead and start with our GBPUSD. Pay close attention what GBPUSD is doing. It's pretty neat, pretty straightforward. What I'm seeing here is very nice. Let me move this stuff here. What I'm seeing here, guys, is very nice. I'm seeing a sell position forming as well. This week here is very weird. It's not lined up, so but still it's valid. So what I'm seeing here is Friday try to close as a bearish position. So all I can think the market may do this coming week, for the week of February 4 to the 8th, is the market will come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then the market will do a small retracement, making this sell stronger, right? Then market boom will hit bottom down. So I'm looking here for a sell position. Please let me know in the comment below if you do agree with me looking here as a sell position, but also pay close attention what the market is doing in this particular area, since the market is basically just going sideways in that area. It's playing on the 0 Fibonacci and the 23, so it's just sitting in there. It's not doing nothing. It's just waiting for that area to break. All I can say is market yes can break from this particular area here and boom go bearish, or either market can go bullish. So pay close attention. The market is just going sideways in that particular location. All right, let me know in the comment below, guys, if you do have any question. Anyway, I'm here live with you, and one thing that I wanted to go ahead and tell you before I do forget is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. But these are not signal, guys. This is only for educational purpose, and that's it. So make sure you don't forget to smash the like button. All right, so hopefully GBPUSD does make sense to you. Tomorrow Monday, guys, today is Sunday. Please pay attention to the video that we did recorded yesterday. The pre-week video is just go to the channel and look for it. It has 4 different pairs. Maybe you want to trade some of them based on the rules that you do have, but it's there. All right, the next pair that I want to show you today is silver. Silver is very interesting. Silver, it looks the market is getting ready for a bearish position. It's forming, so this is very nice. See that dots in there? Hopefully you guys can get to see it. Look at that right there. So market is getting ready. So this PV here, basically this buy position here, is game over, so it's done. But yes, the market did went bullish. That's nothing wrong. But now all we care is what's gonna happen tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And payday, which is what? Friday? So it should be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you get that money. All right. So remember, there's no money here. There's no money here. There's no money here. There's no longer money in there. Don't let anybody explain you back there. There's no more money in there. Money is over. Finito. All you have to worry about is what's going to happen on Monday, what's going to happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And Friday. So I can see that silver wants to do here is the market will push down, retesting our golden area of our Fibonacci, which is the 61.8 area. From there, we are gonna see a continuation of this buy position, right? And then boom, market will come back and retest that 100, basically retesting the same level here. See this, brothers and sisters, in there? Boom, market will come back to the 100 Fibonacci line. Then by that time, we should come back and review this. Remember, we're coming back on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review the video that we did yesterday, which was the pre-week, the Saturday video, and the video that we are doing today, Sunday. Today is the weekly. Okay, so basically we're gonna review this video here and the video that we are recording today. And guys, if you want to go ahead and grab our multiple time frame, the link is below. So come and join us. All right, so let's move forward. The next pair that I have for you is EURUSD. This pair is also it's going sideways, guys, but it has a double bottom and bottom. So what happened in here was the market was bullish. Then we had the weekly. Then we had the R4 hours. So market wants to go where? Market wants to go in a buy position. So we were expecting, to be honest, to see a brand new trend right here, February, to form, but right now we don't have anything. So all I can say is the market at this position, market will push down, retesting the 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. Then the market is gonna come back, retest the same entry level here as a bearish. Then boom, market will continue as a bearish. Because look, guys, I know this looks good as a buy position, but market here, the trend here is bearish. So don't get fooled. Maybe I'm saying maybe it's gonna be ready for the month of March. I don't see anything already forming for this month of February, so it's what it is. So it's nothing you and I can do. Market can do whatever it wants, and that's it. All right. So you guys have any question, guys? Because I want to make sure that all of you have question or whatever is running in your mind, because I mean, I don't know. All right, so let's move forward then. Let me delete all this stuff. The next pair that I have for you is USDJPY. Guys, let me know. It's very important for me to know if you want me to do a live streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. A live streaming for maybe another approximately 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours, or we can do a Zoom call and we can review the market live, so you can interact with me and ask questions, or either I can put the live stream in and you can be at work and look at those particular pairs that you wanted to do be trading. But in case you are gonna be trading some pairs, please comment below. I did ask the same question yesterday. Comment below and I can select 4 good pairs. I know EURUSD, I will put it in there for sure. I don't know what other pairs you guys are interested in, but I would love to know, so like that I can help you out better. Okay. All right. So this is what is happening on this particular pair here. The market is forming a sell position. Pay close attention what happened with USDJPY in this location. This is located at 23.6 Fibonacci line. All I can think is the market will drop down and retest the same level of the Fibonacci, same level of the brothers and sisters right at this area here. Then market boom will shut out as a buy position. Because in here the market, it is in a buy trend. It's not selling yet, guys. Please, please, please. I mean, it's gonna do that retracement, then the market will return back to normal. So by that time, it's Wednesday, right? So by that time, we're gonna review the market. Where's Wednesday? Right here. We're gonna follow up this trade here and the game over. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you want to subscribe. Oops, I dropped my glasses, guy. All right, so any question, guys? Any question? Because I'm here anyway with you, so I just want to make sure everything is okay with you. So join us and let's get this money together. All right, the next pair that I have for you is the following. It's EURUSD. EURUSD, it is sexy, guys. I told you when the market was gonna drop. I told you when the brothers and sisters forming this location here. I did told you. Look, I did told you in here. Boom, when the market was dropped, we put a position here. All the money, boom, and then market gave us a PV, right? The market tried to go. Really tried to go bullish, but it couldn't break this high here. And then market what? Market reversed back down. Pay close attention. Here's the evidence. Market returns back down. And then boom, it dropped. It retests the same level. It's always gonna do that, guys. That's the benefit of trading multiple time frame. It will tell you what to do. Then what happened is the market did push back up, but it could not break this high here. So all I can see here is the market this coming week is forming a sell continuation here. So this is what I'm hoping the market will do this month of February, guys, is to see this February month forming in this location. If it does that, then market will come back. First though, market will retrace back down, retesting the 23.6 level, which is all this location here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're looking for the third hatch down in this particular area here. Then the market will make a retracement, making this sell here stronger. And then boom, market will drop. Okay, if that makes sense, guys. I draw a lot of stuff in here, so hopefully I didn't confuse you. If I did confuse you, please let me know, because I mean that's the only way you're gonna learn. So let's put this one here. All right, because I put that buy way too high, but I'm looking here for a sell. Look at what I'm doing here. I'm putting this sell here so I can retest this entry, second entry, and third one in here. And then by that time, we're coming back on Wednesday anyway. But I'm seeing here a sell position. What do you think? It's a sell or a buy? It is a buy? All right, let's go for it, guys. I know that 4 hours and daily is popping up, going where? It's going bullish, right? Look at that. Bullish. Bullish. Weekly is contradicting. Here's your weekly selling. What's the monthly doing? It's buying. Yes, it is. But remember, all I want to see here is February, to be honest. February to show us a bearish position so we can be down. We still have one more day. Let's see if by Monday we should be able to see a brand new trend. And guys, please be on the lookout. This month of February, you are gonna start seeing a lot of brand new opportunity. I want you to pay close attention. If you don't have the system, it's gonna be more difficult, to be honest. It's gonna be more difficult to realize what the market is doing. But it's not too late to get it, to be honest. It's not too late. The link is below anyway. Come and join us. It's there. All right, it's there. Yesterday, guys, Saturday, we did record USD peso. Then we record Euro GBP. Also, we record gold. And also, we did record Euro JPY. Right? So, now, to be honest, USD peso is very, very sexy, guys. pay close attention to that video that I did anyway. So maybe it will help you, maybe not. So it's up to you. So, but it's there. I like it. It's very nice. I like it. All right. So, but EURUSD is gonna be nice. So, like I say, you know, tomorrow Monday I will be going live on live streaming, leaving this behind scenes so you can knock yourself off. But if you want me to put one particular pair that you want to analyze it, then let me know. Hey, I'm here. Or either comment below later whenever you get to see this video, and then we work it together. All right. So today it was brought this video by our weekly Forex forecast. So thank you guys for coming in today. Thank you so much. Really, thank you for everything you have done. Make sure you do like, share, and subscribe. And I will look and see you tomorrow at the same time. So God bless you guys. Stay safe and love your family. And I will see you tomorrow Monday. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. All right, it's time to count the money. It's time to count the money. Money, money, money. Boom, boom, boom. So this is how you get those pips. All right, guys. See you then. Bye-bye.